Today, let's talk about the top 5 luxury vehicles that are considered the most powerful and luxurious in the world. Welcome to Auto Xplore USA. Today, we're taking a look at one of the most luxurious motorhomes designed to change the way you experience life on the road. This isn't just a vehicle. It's a rolling masterpiece that combines cutting-edge technology with hotel-level comfort. On the outside, this motorhome commands attention with its sleek, futuristic design. The body is sculpted for aerodynamics, and massive tinted windows give it a bold and modern presence. High-intensity LED headlights, hidden cargo storage, and solar panels seamlessly integrated into the roof showcase how every inch of this motorhome has been engineered for performance and sustainability. Step inside, and you're greeted with a living space that feels more like a luxury suite than a vehicle. The lounge area features deep cushioned leather seating, a built-in entertainment system with surround sound, and ambient LED lighting that sets the perfect mood. Large panoramic windows let you enjoy every sunset and sunrise without leaving your seat. The kitchen is a chef's dream, with stainless steel appliances, a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, and even a smart dishwasher. Countertops are made from premium stone, and storage cabinets are soft close for an extra touch of refinement. Whether you're cooking for yourself or hosting guests, this kitchen makes it effortless. The bedroom suite is equally impressive. A king-size bed with memory foam mattress ensures restful sleep, while climate control lets you set the perfect temperature. Custom lighting, blackout shades, and advanced soundproofing make it easy to escape into your own world no matter where you've parked. The bathroom takes things to another level with spa-like design. A rainfall shower, heated floors, touchless faucets, and high-end finishes create a space you'd expect in a 5-star resort. Add in ample storage and even a washer-dryer system, and you'll never miss the comforts of home. Technology is deeply woven into this motorhome's DNA. Every system, lighting, security, climate, and entertainment can be controlled from touchscreen panels or your smartphone. Satellite internet keeps you connected, while rooftop solar panels and a powerful battery bank provide true off-grid freedom. Safety is also top-notch with features like adaptive cruise control, 60-degree cameras, and automatic leveling when parked. But what makes this motorhome special is its philosophy: freedom without compromise. It gives you the ability to explore mountains, coastlines, or remote deserts without ever losing comfort or luxury. It's built for those who see travel as more than just moving from point A to B. It's about making every journey unforgettable. This luxury motorhome is designed for travelers who want a perfect balance of power, comfort, and futuristic design. From the moment you see it, the bold lines and aerodynamic bodywork make it clear this vehicle is built to stand out. Finished with a high-gloss metallic exterior and complemented by dynamic LED strips running along its frame, it has a commanding presence wherever it goes. The exterior isn't just for show, it's practical too. Built-in solar panels on the roof, hidden compartments for gear, and a seamless slide-out section that expands the living space make this motorhome highly functional. Heavy-duty wheels and an advanced suspension system ensure smooth handling even on rough terrain, making it perfect for both highways and off-road adventures. Inside, the motorhome opens up into a sophisticated lounge designed with premium leather seating, high-end wood finishes, and soft ambient lighting. The space feels like a private lounge, complete with a 65-inch smart TV, a surround sound system, and retractable tables for dining or work. Large panoramic windows flood the interior with natural light while also providing incredible views of the outdoors. The kitchen is engineered to impress. It includes a full-size stainless steel refrigerator, an induction cooking range, a convection oven, and marble countertops. Every cabinet is soft close and built with maximum storage in mind. Whether you're cooking a full meal or just making coffee, this space feels modern, efficient, and luxurious. The bedroom is a private sanctuary. A queen-size memory foam bed dominates the space, surrounded by custom shelving and hidden storage. LED backlighting behind the headboard creates a cozy atmosphere, while climate control systems allow you to customize the environment for the perfect night's rest. With blackout shades and soundproof insulation, peace and quiet are guaranteed no matter where you park. The bathroom is no less impressive, featuring a rainfall shower, heated towel racks, and a compact washer-dryer combo. The materials are top of the line, from stone countertops to chrome fixtures, creating the feeling of stepping into a luxury hotel suite. Technology runs through every part of this motorhome. A smart central hub controls everything from lighting to temperature, while wireless charging stations and high-speed satellite internet keep you connected. Advanced safety features like lane assist, 360-degree cameras, and adaptive braking ensure peace of mind whether you're on the road or parked at a campsite. This motorhome isn't just transportation, it's a statement of lifestyle. It combines freedom, innovation, and comfort into one complete package. Whether you're exploring mountains, camping by the beach, or traveling across the country, it guarantees you'll always feel at home. This luxury motorhome stands out with its futuristic, almost spaceship-like design that immediately captures attention. Its body is sculpted with sharp aerodynamic curves, a bold grille at the front, and a striking two-tone metallic finish that blends elegance with power. Chrome accents and signature LED lighting strips wrap around the vehicle, giving it a glowing presence at night and a premium look during the day. Built on a heavy-duty chassis, this motorhome has a long, extended frame that provides unmatched stability and road presence. Massive multi-terrain wheels ensure it can handle any environment, whether cruising down highways or taking on rugged landscapes. The exterior also features retractable awnings, a built-in outdoor entertainment system, and large expandable slide-outs that nearly double the interior living space once parked. Step inside and you're greeted with a blend of modern luxury and smart design. The lounge area is styled with oversized leather recliners, an extendable dining table, and high-tech entertainment features, including a cinema-grade projector system with surround sound. Soft LED mood lighting enhances the atmosphere, while panoramic windows create an airy and open feel, perfect for scenic road trips. The kitchen is both stylish and practical, featuring state-of-the-art appliances like an induction cooktop, convection oven, a smart fridge, and even a built-in espresso machine. Sleek marble countertops, hidden cabinets, and a spacious island make it look like a designer kitchen, rather than one inside a motorhome. The master bedroom feels like a five-star suite. A king-size memory foam bed dominates the space, surrounded by luxurious finishes and storage cleverly hidden in the walls and under the bed. Climate control, ambient lighting, and blackout shades ensure maximum comfort. The bedroom also comes with a 55-inch flat-screen TV and a built-in soundproofing system to create the ultimate relaxation zone. The bathroom carries the same attention to detail, featuring a rainfall shower with glass walls, dual sinks with stone counters, heated mirrors, and a compact washer-dryer system tucked into a hidden panel. Every inch of the space is designed for convenience and comfort, rivaling high-end hotel bathrooms. Technology defines this motorhome. A smart home control system connects every function, from temperature and lighting to security cameras and satellite internet. Voice commands can adjust settings instantly, making the experience effortless and futuristic. Safety features like collision detection, adaptive cruise control, and automatic parking assist keep both the driver and passengers secure on every journey. This motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Designed for those who want freedom without giving up comfort, it allows long-distance travel with the luxury of home. Whether parked by the ocean, deep in the mountains, or in the heart of a city, it ensures that every destination feels like the perfect getaway. This luxury motorhome impresses instantly with its commanding size and modern design. The exterior is finished in a sleek pearl white with chrome detailing that highlights its wide-body frame. A bold front grille paired with adaptive LED headlights gives it a futuristic and aggressive look on the road. The extended body includes side slide-outs, tinted panoramic windows, and retractable awnings, ensuring both style and functionality. The design is not only aerodynamic, but also engineered for durability, making it equally suited for long highway journeys or off-grid adventures. Under the hood, this motorhome is powered by a high-output diesel engine, built for endurance and towing capacity. Its advanced suspension system and multi-terrain tires provide a smooth driving experience even on rough terrain. A state-of-the-art energy system, including rooftop solar panels and a backup lithium battery bank, ensures self-sufficiency when traveling far from the city. The interior is where this motorhome truly shines. The living room is crafted with premium Italian leather seating, a large L-shaped sofa, and an extendable dining area that transforms into an entertainment lounge. The ambient lighting system can be adjusted to match the mood, from bright white for work to warm tones for evening relaxation. A massive 70-inch flat screen with a Dolby Atmos surround system completes the cinema-style experience. The kitchen rivals those in luxury apartments. It features a smart double-door refrigerator, induction cooktop, built-in oven, dishwasher, and a spacious island countertop made of polished stone. Hidden storage compartments maximize space, while the sleek cabinetry keeps everything organized and modern. The bedroom is a private retreat, with a full king-size bed, memory foam mattress, and an integrated headboard lighting system. Side tables include wireless charging pads for devices, and the walls are fitted with noise-canceling insulation for total peace. Floor-to-ceiling wardrobes and a concealed safe offer practical storage solutions. A private 55-inch smart TV ensures entertainment is always at hand. The bathroom continues the theme of high-end comfort. A rainfall shower with glass enclosure, heated towel racks, and dual vanities provide a spa-like experience. Premium stone finishes, touchless faucets, and an integrated washer-dryer add both elegance and practicality. Technology elevates every corner of this motorhome. The central smart system connects through an app, allowing control of climate, lighting, entertainment, and security. Cameras surround the exterior for safety, while driver assistance features like lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and collision prevention make long drives easier and safer. With its mix of luxury, innovation, and practicality, this motorhome represents freedom on a new level. It allows owners to explore the world without ever feeling away from home, combining mobility with the comfort of a high-end residence. For travelers who want the very best, it's not just a vehicle. It's a statement of lifestyle and independence. This luxury motorhome stands out with a bold presence that immediately captures attention. Its exterior is finished in a deep metallic blue with chrome accents that highlight its long, sleek profile. Panoramic tinted windows run along both sides, while slide-out extensions maximize the interior space. The aerodynamic front design merges seamlessly with futuristic LED headlights, giving it both beauty and practicality. A roof-mounted solar panel system and retractable awnings make it ready for any adventure. Whether in the city or deep in nature, powering this massive motorhome is a next-generation diesel-electric hybrid engine designed for both strength and efficiency. It delivers smooth performance on highways, while maintaining impressive fuel economy for a vehicle of its size. Adaptive suspension and smart traction systems ensure stability on all terrains. For travelers who value independence, the integrated energy storage unit provides off-grid power, making it a true self-sustaining home on wheels. Inside, this motorhome feels like a luxury apartment. The spacious living area features plush leather recliners, a full sofa set, and a convertible dining table. The interior lighting uses smart LEDs that can shift from bright daylight tones to warm evening hues. Entertainment is taken to the next level with an 80-inch 4K OLED television and a surround sound system built into the walls. Large panoramic windows let in natural light, creating a bright and open atmosphere. The kitchen is designed with modern convenience in mind. It includes a smart refrigerator with touchscreen controls, a high-performance induction stove, a built-in oven, and even a wine cooler. The countertops are crafted from polished quartz, while the cabinetry uses soft close hinges for a smooth, elegant touch. With ample storage and a hidden pantry, it's built for both quick meals and fine dining on the road. The bedroom offers complete relaxation with a king-size bed, luxury bedding, and a temperature-controlled mattress system. Side-mounted ambient lights and ceiling skylights provide a calm environment for rest. Built-in wardrobes offer generous storage, while a private entertainment system ensures comfort at any time of day. For additional convenience, the motorhome features a secondary sleeping area that can be used for guests. The bathroom is designed to rival a high-end spa. It includes a full walk-in rainfall shower, heated floors, a backlit mirror, and marble finishes on every surface. A dual-sink vanity and a washer-dryer system make it highly functional while maintaining elegance. Technology connects the entire motorhome. A central smart control hub allows travelers to manage lighting, climate, entertainment, and security with just a touch or voice command. Safety features include 360-degree cameras, lane departure alerts, and automated emergency braking for peace of mind during long journeys. This motorhome represents the ultimate freedom, combining innovation, luxury, and practicality in one package. It isn't just about travel, it's about living life without compromise. With unmatched comfort and cutting-edge features, it's a masterpiece on wheels designed for those who demand the very best. For more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Auto Xplore USA.